Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral skeleton shots completely for free. Almost everyone is jumping on this trend right now, and for a good reason. There is no limit on topics. You can make videos about history, the future, science, daily life hacks. You will never run out of content ideas. And the best part, you can monetize your channel in as little as 1 month if you stay consistent and create good content. So without wasting any more of your time, let me walk you through how to create these videos completely free in just 5 simple steps. Step 1, create your character. Step 2, generate your script. Step 3, generate your images. Step 4, turn images into videos. Step 5, turn your script into voiceover. And stick till the end because I will share some of my secret tips to help you grow faster on YouTube.
Paste this prompt into the Lmarena image generation section or any other AI image generator you prefer to create your character image. Open ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs in the top right corner and search for skeleton shorts. Click the first result. Now type, "Skeleton shorts, give me the top 10 trending titles." And if you want to add your niche, for example, health, fitness, science, or fun facts, ChatGPT will give you 10 trending title ideas. I'm going to pick "What happens if you don't sleep for 3 days." Copy it, then type, "I will go with this title. Now write me an engaging script with a strong hook." ChatGPT will generate a full script for you. Then type, "Now give me 10 hyper-realistic image prompts for each scene." Copy the first prompt and head over to Flow AI. Sign into Flow AI and click New Project. Make sure you select Image. Set the ratio to 9:16 for shorts. Set the generation amount to ×1 and select the Nano Banana Pro model. As you can see, it says generating will use 0 credits, so it's completely free and unlimited. Now click the plus icon and upload your character image. This keeps your character consistent across every scene. Once uploaded, make sure it's selected, paste your prompt for the first scene, and hit generate. The results are clean, realistic, and eye-catching. Click download, then select 2K upscaled for the best quality. Now let's turn these images into videos. Go back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me an animation prompt for each scene." Then copy the animation prompt for whichever scene you want to bring to life. Go back to Flow AI and switch the setting to video. Select frames, set the ratio to 9:16, generation amount to ×1 and choose VEO 3.1 fast. Select your scene image, paste your animation prompt, and click Generate. For a completely free and unlimited video generation method, head over to Lmarena AI. Select the video generation option, upload your scene image, paste your animation prompt, and click Generate. The results are amazing and high quality. Now, this platform doesn't require credits, but it does have usage limits. Here's how to get around that. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser and open a new incognito window. Search for Temp Mail. Using Temp Mail in incognito gives you a fresh email address every single time. In another tab, open Lmarena. Click Login, paste your temp email, and click Continue with Email. Then create account. Lmarena will send a verification email. Go to Temp Mail, find it, and click Verify Email. Set a password and you're in. Use it until you hit the limit, then simply repeat the same process. For the AI voiceover, search for ElevenLabs and sign up or log in. A free account already gives you 10,000 credits to start. Click Text to Speech and choose your voice. The most popular voices for this type of content are Alex and Adam. Just search for them. Adjust the speed. For short-form content, I recommend setting it to 1.04 or 1.05. Don't touch the other settings. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your full script, just the voiceover lines, then paste it into ElevenLabs and click Generate. When it's done, click the download icon to save your audio file.
Once you have all your assets ready, your videos and your voiceover, bring everything into any video editing app. Make sure your first 3 to 5 seconds are fast paced and preview your best scenes right away to grab attention. Add a metallic riser sound effect at the very beginning as your hook. Keep the editing clean, don't overdo it. Here are my secret tips to grow faster on YouTube. Tip number 1: don't post random topics. Stick to one niche so the YouTube algorithm knows exactly what your channel is about and who to show it to. Tip number 2: set up your channel properly. Verify your future monetization eligibility. Add relevant keywords and write a clear description about your niche. This helps you to understand your content and find the right audience for you. Tip number 3: don't stuff your video with too many tags and hashtags. Those are my secret tips. I hope they help you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.